Always disconnect appliances before working on them. Washer door switch test and replacement. First, remove the screws located at the back of the control panel. There are 4 screws to remove. Then slightly pull the control panel, lift it up and carefully flip it back. Now you can see the door switch. Set your multimeter on continuation and insert the probes into the left and the middle terminals. You should hear a beep when the door is closed. It means the circuit is closed and the switch is fine. You can also remove the wires and test the switch. It doesn't make a difference. If you can't hear a beep, it means there is an open circuit and the switch is bad. To replace the switch, simply remove the screw holding the ground wire. Then lift the washer lid up and press the switch tap to release it. Simply place the new door switch the same way you took the old one out. Reinstall the ground wire. A bad switch won't let the machine start running. You can find the switch at the description of the video. Flip back the control panel and slightly push it back. Install back the 4 screws located at the back of the machine.